I'm going to see some friends tomorrow, and we're all bringing something to eat. And I am going to bring my sticky Asian baked ham. But first, I need to soak it in cold water overnight. It just draws out all the saltiness. Right, I'm off to bed. Look at this. And now I have to get rid of all this salty water. So I can't wait to eat this later. I have to boil it, then glaze it, then bake it. So the first stage is the boiling. I'll just put a bit more water in. Need to get this cooking. This needs to cook for a good 2 hours. It's a 2.5 kilo joint. First, I need to bring it up to the boil, and then as soon as it's boiling, lower the temperature to a simmer. So I'm going to add some aromatics, so all the lovely flavour infuses the joint whilst it's cooking. A couple of bay leaves, star anise, I love star anise, it's like aniseed flavour. Big handful of peppercorns, and then some cloves. And ginger. When I use ginger, I don't bother peeling it. I just grate it in, peel and all. Like that. You need about a 1 centimetre piece. There you go. And then all these flavours are going to make this joint taste amazing. And afterwards, I often use this broth as a soup, because it's that good. Pop the lid on. Okay, now for the sticky Asian glaze. So I don't use a garlic crusher. What I do is just squash each clove like that, bit of salt, and then just grind it to a paste. I suppose it is a little bit more work, but you get so much more flavour out of it. So everything into the pan now. Got the grated zest of half an orange, 1 chilli, and 2 cloves of garlic. So I need 220 ml of honey, or grams. If you weigh it on the scales, it's exactly the same. Then 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, 100 ml of soy sauce, really rich, beautiful soy sauce, gives lovely saltiness to it. Then I've got the juice of half an orange, and 240 grams of soft light brown sugar for that wonderful depth of flavour, caramelised flavour. Quick stir. And this really is packed with flavour. There's so much flavour in the broth, and then this extra flavour for the glaze. It's just perfect. And then some pepper, just to add extra heat. So just put that over a low heat. I want all the sugar to dissolve, and that'll take about 2 or 3 minutes. Right, get this on, 220 degrees. And now I'll get my ham ready for the oven. You just take it out of the water and pat it dry with kitchen paper. Remove the thick layer of skin. Cut diagonal slashes through the fat, in one direction first and then the other, to make diamond shapes. Then stick a clove in the centre of each diamond. And then onto a baking tin. Okay, the glaze. It's nice and ready, nice and thick. And I'll just drizzle that over. Beautiful smells coming out of this. Just that chilli and soy sauce, so strong. And there's quite a lot of this left, but it's great to use as a dipping sauce afterwards. And so this is going to go into the oven at 220 degrees for 30 minutes. And then once it's cool, me and the ham are going out.
colours are amazing.
Velma?
Yeah.
Would you like some? Thank you. Delicious, very tender.
Really, really good.
Really,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah, it's great.
Thank you. Lovely.